Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a laptop feels like new again. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and go to your search bar and just type down reset. Okay? Now you will find reset this PC. So just go ahead and click on it. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, under recovery options, you have reset this PC. So go ahead and click on it. Wait a bit and this window will pop up. So what you're doing here is just basically select whether to keep your files or remove everything. So if you want to make your laptop or desktop feel like new again, I would highly recommend you to remove everything, but do make sure that you make a backup of all your things. For example, you have important files, go ahead and save it on your flash drive or an external drive. Okay, so click on this option, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it will ask you to choose if you want cloud download or local reinstall. So if you choose cloud download right here, it will just download the latest updates for your computer and reinstall it for you. Okay, if you select local reinstall, whatever version of Windows you have or update you have, it will just keep it as is, and Windows will just do the cleaning for you. Okay, so if I were you, I'm just going to go ahead and select local reinstall, but by all means, if you have internet or strong internet, go ahead and use cloud download. Because if you use local reinstall, you may have to update your system later. Okay, so just click on one option and then in here, just click on next. I'm not going to do it. It will reset my PC, but just go ahead and click on next, follow simple prompts, and once done, just wait for it. Okay, and after that, your laptop or computer will be looking like you just bought it from the store. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.